Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Domi, and this channel is all about tech tips, PC tricks and tutorials, reviews, all about IT and tech. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you some basic shortcuts. If you're a PC user, you definitely need shortcuts to make your work easier. Let's say you are working on your PC. Shortcuts are, let's say, like in the name, a shortcut. It makes what you are doing short, the length of that time short. All right. So imagine you are moving from one place to another. It's going to take maybe 15 minutes, but then there is a shortcut that's going to take 5 minutes. All right. So shortcut makes your work easy. All right. So in this video, I'll be showing you some 15 tricks or shortcuts that can help you and you can use in your day-to-day activities. So let's get started. First things first, the first five shortcuts I'm going to be talking about are basic. This one, if you're a PC user, if you've used PC before, you should know these shortcuts. All right. So the first one I'll be talking about is Control plus C, which is for copy. So let's take any text. All right. So this is a dummy text on the internet for most of the times developers. All right. So this text, Control plus C is for copy. All right. So anytime you want to select something, you use your mouse pointer, you drag on what you want to select. All right. So if I want to select only this first line, all right. So I press Control plus C, Control plus C. All right. Now Control plus C. After that, it goes into your clipboard. Then let's say you have Notepad here. You are using a different application and you want to paste what you copied. All right. Control plus V. All right. So two shortcuts in one. Control plus C for copy, Control plus V for paste. All right, so let's copy everything. Control plus C, Control plus V. We've copied everything here. Now, we want to remove this one, these two sentences. We want to remove this paragraph over here. All right, and bring it down here under this. We want to remove this, bring it under here. All right, so what we have is cut. Control plus X. Control plus X. It removes it like how you cut. Control plus X, like the X scissors. You see how scissors is X. Then here, where you want to paste that item, Control plus V. All right, it comes down here. Okay, so we have another one called undo and redo. Undo means if you make a mistake and you want to go back to your changes, you can undo it. Now, redo means come back to your recent changes. All right. So let's say you go back to undo, but then you remember that it wasn't actually a mistake. You can redo it. All right. So, like this one, we copied, we cut and pasted here. We don't want to bring it here. We want it at its original place. So Control plus X, it comes back here. All right. Control plus X, it comes back here. Now, what I did, it wasn't a mistake. And I want to bring it back to its original place here. All right. Control plus Y. Control plus Y for redo. It comes back here. All right. Good. Now we have another option or shortcut called Control plus F. All right, that's in the name find. Find. So Control plus F is used to find any word in a document. So it doesn't matter a browser, whether Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, any application. Control plus F. You search for what you want. I want passages. Here, it has shown me that passages is here. All right. So let's use this browser. Control plus F. I want internet. All right. It makes your work easy. Now you don't have to look through your work one by one. All right. Good. Now we also have shortcuts that are separate from these Control plus C, Control plus V, Control plus X, Control plus F. All right. Good. Let's leave this. Let's open multiple applications. Let's see everything. VLC. All right. So you see, these applications are scattered around. Now, let's minimize some of them. All right. And let's say we are using these two. All right. Good. Now, I want VLC, which I already opened. All right. Instead of using the mouse pointer coming to the taskbar and choosing VLC, it can be a stressful situation. Let's say you are using an extended monitor for a presentation or just your normal daily use. Switching between applications, we have Alt plus Tab key. All right, Alt plus Tab key. Now, Alt plus Tab key, it shows every application you've opened. So you continuously press on the Tab key. Don't leave the Alt key. All right, you hold the Alt key continuously and press on the Tab. The moment you leave the Alt, everything closes. All right, good. So Alt plus Tab to switch. So I want VLC, I come. I want everything, I show. I want Microsoft Edge, it pops up. Now, looking at this, everything is scattered around. I want to clear everything onto my taskbar to show the desktop. All right. So we have an option, Windows plus D. Okay. Windows plus D. It is to show or hide the desktop. So Windows plus D, everything minimizes. Again, everything comes back. All right. Good. Now, let's say as you are working, you get a call or something pops up, you have to step out of your desk and take that call or attend to whatever you have to attend to. Now, leaving your system open like this can be a security risk. All right. So, in order for you to lock your PC, just a simple command or a simple shortcut, the Windows plus L, Windows key plus L, okay, is for lock. So it locks your system. All right. I don't know if you might see this, but it locks your system. Windows L locks your system. All right. Now we have Task Manager. All right. Task Manager is used to monitor different processes or resources of your system. The performance, CPU, your memory, your GPU, internet connection, all right, anything about your system, all right. So we have Task Manager. The most obvious way of using Task Manager is by right-clicking on the taskbar and choosing Task Manager. What if you are doing a lot of work, all right? So we have Control, Shift, and Escape. It might seem a lot, but it's very simple. Control Shift Escape. Control Shift Escape. Task Manager. All right. Good. Now, at the Task Manager, you can view, as you can see, various applications and processes that are currently running on your PC. Okay. Windows applications, and your own system applications that are running. Here we have your CPU, memory, your disk, your Ethernet, and your GPU. All right, good. Here we have your application history, startup, users, all right, different things to monitor your system. Good. Now, another one is the File Explorer. File Explorer is to show files on your system, folders, files on your system. If you want a video, you can't find the video on your desktop. All right, you have to go into a folder. Now, the way to do it is Windows plus E. Windows plus E. All right, it shows the File Explorer. Good. Now you can come to your videos, pictures, music, then you can find whatever you are looking for. All right. Now we also have Windows plus I. Windows plus I. That is for settings, the Windows settings. If you want to make any changes, you come to Windows plus I. That is for settings. Okay. Now, let's say you have something on your desktop and you want to take a screenshot of it. All right. Instead of using your phone camera to capture it, Windows has an inbuilt tool called the snipping tool. Now, the snipping tool is like a screenshot for your PC. Okay, like how phones are, you have the screenshots. Now we have the snipping tool for Windows. It's Windows Shift plus S. Windows Shift plus S. Normal S for sneak. All right. Now, pressing it, this is what comes. Draw a shape to create a screen snap. Then you can select whatever part you want to draw. All right. As you can see here, this is what pops up. I took a screenshot of the flower. All right. Good. Now, we have another one called Alt plus F4. If you want to close any opened application, let's open Edge again. Now, this opened application, instead of just coming to this one, you have a lot of work. Let's say Chrome is open, this is opened, all right? Everything is open, File Explorer is opened. Now, instead of just coming one by one on every application, just Alt plus F4, it closes it. Alt plus F4, it closes. Alt plus F4, all right? Very simple. Now, Alt plus F4 can also be used to shut down your PC or even restart it. So, clicking Alt plus F4, this is what comes, okay, where you can shut down, sign out, sleep, restart, and switch user. Okay, good. We also have what we call presentation mode, connecting a projector or an extended monitor. You want to project what is on your screen onto a different device display. All right, Windows and P. Windows and P. Now, this is what appears. P for project, duplicate, extend, and second screen only. All right, if you want for the monitor or a second display, if you want to duplicate it, like what you see should also be on the second screen, you click on duplicate. If you only want the wallpaper on the second screen, you choose extend. But if you only want the second screen to be active, then you choose second screen only. All right, good. Now, those are the main 15 ones. So, a bonus step or a bonus shortcut to add. Let's say, let's open applications again. VLC, WinRAR. All right. So, we've opened a lot of applications. All right, good. Now, here is clustered. A lot of applications are open. And we want to move to a new desktop to continue our work. All right. You can Windows plus tab. Windows key plus tab. All right. You can see all the applications open. It's another version of the Alt plus Tab, but this Windows plus Tab, you can create a new desktop background so that you can work. So click on New Desktop. It creates everything new, okay, like you haven't opened any application. Although your previous applications are open here on the desktop one, all right? So you can create multiple desktops, then you'll be working simultaneously. I hope you understand. All right, so that'll be it for these shortcut videos. Let me know if you have some favorite shortcuts you usually use on your PC or on your device. Okay, I'll be glad to also learn from you. Let me know in the comment section if you have any challenges that you faced while practicing these shortcuts. Okay, if you found this video helpful or you learned something from it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content such as this, educational IT tech content such as this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.